on YouTube? It's your girl Very Jane, and I am back once again with another YouTube video. So I am so stoked to be in front of this camera right now. It's been a long time, you know what I mean? And I'm just like, yo, I don't care if the weather is bad today. I don't care how I feel today. I'm gonna do a YouTube video because it's been a long time, you know what I mean? And I know you guys probably like, yo, girl, you say you're going da 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 da, you know, but it's just, it's, you know, it's not me, you know what I mean? Time, it's all with time. But I am trying my best to manage time a little bit better to make sure that I fit YouTube recording into that schedule, because nobody understands how much I enjoy being in front of this camera like you guys, you know what I mean? So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna just do this nice fall look that I got going on right now. It's like giving everything. Like, you see this? Like, your girl looks amazing, curly hair, you know what I mean, brown. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing this look, please stay tuned, but do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel if you guys are new. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Peace. Okay, so what's going on YouTube? All right, it's Very Jane, and like, as y'all can see, like, the energy is here. Like, I am fiending for this type of, I've been fiending for this type of weather. Like, fall, y'all already know I'm obsessed with fall. But I just want to address this. Like, today's look, I am going to be sticking to the browns, the nudes, the cream, the white, the black. Like, I'm going to try to stick to like the fall colors. But overall, like, I'm very like outgoing, so like my colors is going to be vibrant throughout the season. So don't think, oh, it's fall, she's gonna give nothing but fall looks. I did that last time, and I noticed that my glance was limited, and I just like to have fun with my looks. Like, I'm not necessarily going by the seasons, but I just want to put it out there. I'm obsessed with fall. It's my favorite time of the year, so it's like, let's get it. Thanksgiving, your girl like to eat. You know what I mean? But it's complicated over here. But like, yeah, so excited. I did my eyebrows off camera, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm just looking in the camera, but throughout the video you might see me looking like this. And I know that I got so used to looking at the lens since using my camera that you guys might see me looking directly at the camera like I'm doing now. But you might see me drift off and start looking, because like I said, I am using my phone now because my mic is screwed. I need to buy a whole other mic, and I don't like, I've been recording, I just don't like how it sound out, you know, sound from the camera or whatever, you know what I mean? So with that being said, I'm gonna stop babbling, because you know your girl could talk. I could go talking for mad long, like you see what I'm doing now. So with that being said, I'm just hop right into the video, and I'm gonna start priming my eyes. And I'm going to prime my eyes with Pretty Vulgar concealer in the color H5. Okay, you guys, so the eyes is pretty much set and ready for these eyeshadows, and I'm going to be using my lovely Juvia's Paste palette, the Warrior 2 palette. And I'm super obsessed with Juvia's Paste pigmentation in a palette, so I'm gonna just stick to using Juvia's Paste, you know what I mean? And because I said I want to do some nudes and some browns today, so I'm gonna start off with this dark color, which is called Kufuru. It's super nice. As y'all can see, that brown is just super pigmented. Oh my god, like, do you guys see that brown? It's just everything. I'm gonna go in with this next shade, which is called Yodit. It's like a nice coffee, it's giving very much caramel latte. I'm gonna just I'm just gonna apply that color right on top of this brown shade to kind of buff out the outer corner and the color itself. So it's just gonna make it look more smooth on the eyes, I would say. Obsessed. You see this? Like, what? Yeah, super pretty. I love this. You see the difference? Like, this just looked like it's just placed there, and this one looks like it's just, woo, like it was meant, you know what I mean? Okay, you guys, so the eyes is pretty much you know, blend it out and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my cut crease, and I'm going right back into that pretty vulgar shade to cut out my cut crease. I'm using like a flat edge brush, packing that color on, and I'm just gonna focus on cutting out a half cut crease. And you already know my technique. I like to just put a line right in the middle of my eyelid, look up, and then trace over until I get to that cut crease. Okay, you guys, so before I actually start to pack that color onto my cut crease, I decided that I wanted to go back into the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm gonna take this nice color called Shawata, and I'm gonna put that color right over here in the outer corner just to kind of darken that out a little bit. I just feel like it's gonna give the eye more of a umph, you know what I mean? Because that's what I need with the eyes right now. It's getting very much boring, and I want to do something a little bit much more. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm about to do, and it's going to be quick and easy. Now, like I said, Juvia's Place is very much pigmented, so you want to be very, very careful. I'm starting like right here about by the cut crease, just to kind of, you know what I mean? Not too much, but just enough to kind of sweep that away. And now I'm gonna go back into Kufuru, which is that first brown that I use, and I'm gonna just place that right on top of that color just to kind of sweep that away. Okay guys, so I am ready to pack on that cut crease color, and I'm going into the Juvia's Place, the Nudes palette. This had to be my favorite launch, you guys. Like, y'all don't even understand. Like, the colors in here are so cute because I'm more of a soft glam kind of girl, and I feel like this gave me soft glam cut crease colors here. What I'm gonna do is list the color down below just in case you guys miss it. I'm gonna start packing that color onto the cut crease using a flat smudge brush. And this color matches so well with the cut crease color that I put, which means that the vibrancy of this color will show. Okay guys, so I put my lashes on off camera, and these are my lashes. I would definitely list the style down below. This is in the style Queen, and I am obsessed with it, like OD. Like, it makes the eyes look so foxy. With that being said, we're gonna go into doing the makeup. I am going to be using my Hydro Grip primer today. Now we're gonna go into using our foundation, and I'm going to be using my Nars Sheer Glow foundation today in the color New Caledonia. I'm gonna be using my lovely Juvia's Place makeup brush to apply that. I'm not gonna apply so much because I recently just found out that you don't need to apply foundation underneath your eyes, so it's just mainly focusing out on the outer corner. Now I'm just going in with my damped beauty blender, and I'm just dabbing that in, pressing that into the skin, getting any leftover product off the face. I'm absolutely obsessed with this foundation. It's like, I don't know, it's just giving everything, you know what I mean? Favorite concealer, you guys already know, which is Born This Way in the shade Amazing. Okay, you guys, I apologize. I thought I was recording, but like, I'm running out of storage. I don't understand why, because I don't have that much stuff on my phone, but it's whatever. Yeah, so basically I put my concealer on. I highlighted the places that I wanted to highlight today. I also did a little bit underneath the cheeks. I went ahead and used my contour. Like I said, do not worry if you guys love the beat. I will list every product that I am using down in the description box down below. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start blending out. And you guys know I like to blend out my contour by adding more contour. And I know y'all probably like, that it makes no type of sense, but it makes a lot of sense to me. So I'm gonna just dig back into my contour stick and just blend this out. And I'm gonna kind of make sure everything is blended out with my beauty blender. Okay guys, so I went ahead and used my translucent powder for underneath the eyes in every area that I highlighted. Because I ran out of storage, I had to do that off camera. But what I'm doing right now is going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth to kind of press that into the skin as well, just so I won't look ashy underneath the eyes. And I'm also sweeping away that translucent powder at the same time. Okay, so this looks so nice. I'm loving how the face is looking. I'm gonna go in with my, what is this, Black Radiance? Yeah, I'm going with my Black Radiance just to apply some more contour. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and added some of that black underneath the eyes as well, and just kind of smoked it out only at the outer corner while dragging it in a little bit. I didn't want the inner corner to be so dark, so I just focused on the outer corner of my eyes, added a little bit of mascara or whatever. So the face is about finished. I do not want to do no highlight today or none of that extra stuff, so I'm gonna just do my lip combo off camera as well. But keep in mind, everything that I am going to be using is going to be listed down below in the exact order that was used, from face to lips to everything, eyes, you know what I mean? So I apologize for that. So I'm gonna make sure that this video is edited properly so that you guys can get the full look. So some stuff I have to do off camera because of storage. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is do my lip combo off, because I don't even know what lip combo I'm gonna use anyway, but I want to do something that has to do with brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. And with that being said, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my hair, and I put on this nice brown shirt. I am feeling the way I look right now. It's giving very much fall, you know what I mean? I'm loving the vibes, period. Okay, but I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's good to be back in front of this camera, feeling like everything, you know what I mean? The energy is here. I'm loving it, you know what I mean? I'm gonna try my best to give some more videos. I'm not gonna make no promises, but I definitely do love the camera, so I'm gonna try my best to manage time a little bit better so that I can give you guys more videos. But with that being said, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Without further ado, peace.